Harmony Club, Chapter 11, The Car Wash.
Oh. Teacher, are we close to the car wash?
We sure are. Look.
We're at the car wash.
I agreed with Timmy. This is so exciting.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we
Here
go.
we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we
Here we
go.
go. Look at those big sponges.
Yeah, Amanda. And it's kind of like being in a giant bubble bath. Right, Kylie Jenner?
Yeah, Keemstar. It sure is.
Now it's getting nice and dry. Right, Juan Diaz?
Yeah, Lena. It sure is right now.
Wow. That was awesome. Is it, Amanda?
Yeah, Timmy. It sure is. And look, we're back at our Harmony Club apartment. Now let me and Keemstar sleep because we are so tired. Are we, Keemstar?
Yes, Amanda. We sure are. Let's go in now.
Okay, teacher, we are back. Now we all have to be very quiet because Amanda and Keemstar are sleeping. Are they?
Yes, Bliffy. They sure are. Let's watch TV, you and me. Okay?
Okay then.
Hey, Blue, did you borrow a book too? Cool. Ah, okay, so I need to bring this back in 2 weeks. Thanks so much for all your help. Bye-bye. Wow, great book finding.
The end.